Good morning to you all. That's why be inganye fe enuanum ne adofo. Today I'll be talking about sea salt, and I begin. Sea salt is considered the crystalline memory of the ocean. It is harvested by relying heavily on sand for evaporation to take place or through industrial mining. Sea salt is a natural element from water, abundant in nature, yet very cheap and easily accessible at the market. It is a commodity with wide range of essence. This is categorized into three main forms. Sea salt is considered biological necessity, that it is needed to live on. It's also considered a practical tool for cleansing and preservation. Again, sea salt is a powerful symbol representing purity, promoting spirituality and for protection. The following are some of the significance of sea salt. Before I proceed, we all know what sea salt is. We've all been using it in one way or the other for various purposes. To begin with, adding taste to meals. Culinary uses of salt is the most universal and scientific standard function. Salt as one of the basic tastes apart from sour, sweet, bitter, is flavor enhancer that brings out the inherent savory in foods. A delicacy without salt normally tastes flat and unpalatable. Purification and cleansing. Sea salt is used for ritual cleansing, which leaves the body relieved and refreshed. The salt is dissolved in water for bathing, sprinkled in homes, believed to draw out negative energy around. It is believed in many cultures and traditions like African, Hindu, Shinto to ward off evil, used for protection and for spiritual upliftment. Healing and antiseptic. Warm salt water compress is used to minimize swelling, soothe aches, and to draw out infections. It is antiseptic in nature, used to soothe sore throat and promote oral health. Again, it is used in washing of dirt from the cookware. Preservation. Before the invention of refrigerators and even today, salt was and still vital elements used to prolong the shelf lifespan of foods such as meat, fish, some vegetables, and so on. It prevents these commodities from decaying quickly, saving cost and time involved for replacement, hence enhancing food safety, hygiene, and sustenance. Strengthen bones. Unlike table salts, the refined salt, sea salt retains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. The combination of all these minerals supports muscle function, bone density, and overall health. Hospitality. In certain cultures, including Arab culture, sharing salt is a traditional sign of friendliness and bond of trust between host and guest. Element of power. Being extracted from the sea, which is nature, makes it powerful substance. This is because it embodies both mineral from the earth and elements of ocean. For this reason, it serves as a link between physical and spiritual realm. Currency. In ancient times, it represented money. Salt was used to pay wages, allowances, and salaries of laborers. For instance, Roman soldiers were sometimes paid in salt. Salt brought about the origin of the word salary from the Latin word sal in. To sum it up, sea salt is not only universal cooking seasoning, but consumed for its spiritual, cultural, and economic impacts. Thank you for staying by.